It is going to be a special weekend here in Central Texas, especially the farther south you are. More and more the sun will be eclipsed, as we will have this occur on Saturday. The main path of the eclipse is going to be south of our area. If you want to head down towards San Antonio, they will get the true ring of fire effect with the moon just far enough away from the earth to allow the sun to show a little ring right around the moon. And that will be happening about 11:53 of 11:54 our time around here. We will have about 85 to 89% of the sun in our area covered up, and that's just dependent on where you are. A little less to the north, a little more down to the south. You can't look directly at this. This is not a lunar eclipse. This will not do well for the eyes if you try to look directly at it without those special glasses or something that is approved, like some sort of sun shield or something like that. So make sure that you don't look directly at it unless you have the exact things that you need for that. But in the meantime, it is going to be warm on Friday as the clouds are finally starting to decrease here across the area just a little bit. And it does appear we will have sunshine as we make our way toward the weekend. We will also have a cold front, 88 degrees on Friday, 76 on Saturday. So we are looking at a pretty big difference here as a cold front makes its way in Friday evening into Friday night. And then look at these gorgeous temperatures as we make our way into next week, 70s. Low 80s, that is not looking bad at all. So here's what's going to be happening for tonight. We will have low clouds spread back in by morning, but that will be ahead of our wind shift that will be coming in. And I call it a wind shift because winds will shift around to the northwest, but we won't see the real cooling until about Friday night. So it's still going to be warm on Friday. Then as we get into Saturday, notice how we have clear skies again. We will have good eclipse weather here across our area with the sun shining brightly. So for tonight, temperatures will be down into the upper 60s and lower 70s for us. Then tomorrow, highs into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. That's going to be a pretty warm day, but again, it starts to feel like fall this weekend. As we make our way into Saturday, again, around 11:53 will be the peak of the solar eclipse. And that's pretty much what it will look like right there with about 85 to 89% of the sun covered up. And again, you have to have special glasses for that or a sun filter. 76 degrees for a high, 74 on Sunday. And then as we make our way into next week, more 70s on the way Monday and Tuesday. Maybe a chance for a couple of thunderstorms by the end of next week with another front on the way.